If you have ever seen the black and white static on an old, untuned television set, you were actually watching the birth of the universe. Exactly 1% of that static is a 13.8 billion-year-old ghost. It is the literal, physical afterglow of the Big Bang itself. But here is where it gets crazy. This ancient light, called the cosmic microwave background, proves that empty space has a precise, freezing temperature of 2.725 degrees above absolute zero, everywhere. Yet, locked inside this ancient heat map is a terrifying anomaly. A massive, inexplicable void spanning 1.8 billion light-years that completely breaks our standard model of physics. Scientists around the world are fundamentally baffled. What exactly left a frozen scar on the dawn of time? To understand this impossibility, we have to look at how things should work. According to standard cosmology, immediately after the Big Bang, the universe was a blindingly hot, dense fog of plasma. As space expanded, it cooled. Exactly 380,000 years later, that fog cleared, and the very first light flashed across the cosmos. Today, that light has stretched into invisible microwaves, forming a perfect, uniform shell around us. It is the ultimate baby picture of the universe. But this is where things get strange. Because that picture is hiding a dark secret. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything. We are uncovering classified cosmic mysteries like this every single week. If you want to decode the universe alongside us, hit that follow button. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of people are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. You will not want to miss this. Let us rewind to 1964. Two radio astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, were using a massive Holmdel-Horn antenna in New Jersey. They kept picking up a weird, persistent hiss. They checked for radar interference. They even scrubbed out literal pigeon droppings from the antenna. But the noise did not stop. It was coming from everywhere, all at once, day and night. They did not realize it yet, but they had just accidentally stumbled upon the very edge of space and time. But when modern satellites finally mapped this hiss decades later, they found something impossible staring back. In 2001, NASA launched the WMAP satellite to map this afterglow in extreme high definition. The result was a stunning oval map of red and blue speckles, the genetic code of our cosmos. The tiny blue spots were microdegrees cooler, the seeds of future galaxies. It was a flawless confirmation of the Big Bang. As astrophysicist George Smoot said, if you are religious, it is like looking at God. But right in the lower right quadrant of this map, scientists spotted a horrifying glitch. Enter the cosmic microwave background cold spot. Just when we thought we understood the blueprint of reality, we found a region 70 microkelvins colder than it should be, and vastly larger than standard physics allows. It is a 1.8 billion light-year wide abyss, mysteriously missing 10,000 galaxies. Some scientists think it is a supervoid, an immense, empty desert of space. But a growing, controversial faction of quantum physicists suggests something far more mind-bending. They believe this cold spot is the bruised impact point from another universe colliding with ours. The first physical evidence of the multiverse. I genuinely want to know what you think. Is this just a massive, empty void of nothingness? Is it a mathematical glitch in our data? Or is it a scar from a parallel universe crashing into ours? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read them all, and your perspective completely changes how we approach these mysteries. Think about the stakes here. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If the cold spot is indeed a multiverse collision, it means our universe is just one expanding bubble in an infinite, boiling cosmic ocean. The implications for human philosophy, quantum physics, and our understanding of reality are staggering. It means somewhere out there, the laws of physics might operate completely differently. By the end of this decade, everything we thought we knew about our cosmic isolation could be entirely rewritten. We are literally decoding the DNA of existence. But do not let the vastness of the unknown terrify you. Science thrives on anomalies exactly like this. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope are peering into the deep voids of the universe, hunting for clues that could explain this cosmic scar. European missions like Euclid are mapping invisible dark matter to see if it is pulling galaxies away from this cold spot, artificially creating the void. We are living in a golden age of astronomy. Every single day, the blurry edges of our universe are coming into sharper focus. The puzzle pieces are scattered across 13.8 billion light-years, but humanity, for the very first time, has the instruments to put them together. The cosmic microwave background remains our greatest treasure map. It whispers the secrets of our fiery birth, and perhaps, points the way toward other dimensions entirely, waiting for us to finally translate them. But this is not the only mystery hidden in the dark corners of space. In our next video, we are uncovering the terrifying reality of the Great Attractor, a massive, unseen anomaly dragging our entire Milky Way galaxy towards it at over 1 million miles per hour. And later this week, we will reveal the recently declassified data on the WOW signal. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Remember, that static on your television screen is not just noise, it is the echo of our beginning. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.